Today, we're reading the second half of the book Freckle Juice, continuing from the last video. Before I go on any further, let me present to you our very special guest today. Hi, Junie!
Hi! Hello, everybody!
Junie! In the first video, Andrew made freckle juice because he wished he had freckles. If you could make any juice like that, what would you make?
Wow! Then I would make Pokemon juice.
Huh? What would that do?
It would turn me into my favorite Pokemon Charizard.
Oh! What a funny and adorable idea, Junie. Alright then, let's get started with not Pokemon juice, but freckle juice. Let's go! Andrew turned greenish and felt very sick. At 4 o'clock, Mrs. Marcus came home. Yoo-hoo, Andrew, where are you? She called. His mother stood in the doorway of her bedroom. Mrs. Marcus looked at his face. Andrew, are you sick? Oh my, I'm going to call the doctor. Don't move, I'm going into the kitchen to phone. Andrew rolled around, moaning. Junie, can you tell me why Andrew is feeling sick?
Yes, he drank the freckle juice.
Yes, no wonder. Andrew가 만든 freckle juice 이상한 게 많이 들어갔었죠? Of course. moan means 끙끙대다. 여기선 배가 아파서 끙끙대는 거죠.
One time, I did too. When I had too much ice cream.
Oh no! Mrs. Marcus came back to her bedroom in a hurry. I've just seen that mess in the kitchen. Did you or did you not make something and eat it? Uh-oh, he forgot to clean up. Well, young man, now you're going to bed. Mrs. Marcus gave him 2 spoonfuls of pink stuff that tasted like peppermint. Then she tucked him into bed. The next day, Andrew stayed home from school. He only looked in the mirror once. No freckles. But the following day, Andrew got dressed. But he couldn't let Sharon get away with it. He had to do something.
Oops! Mess means 엉망진창이라는 거예요.
그 전에 앤드류가 freckle juice 만든다고 마음대로 이것저것 꺼내서 만들어 먹고 그리고 바로 배 아파서 누웠잖아요. So yeah, now she knows he's not sick from some disease.
He's in trouble.
A bit, yeah. He had to take medicine too. Then he skipped school. When he looked in the mirror, did he have freckles?
Nope.
And now he had to go to school. 옷도 입고 학교 갈 준비는 되었어요. 하지만 주근깨는 어떡하죠? After breakfast, Andrew raced back to his bedroom. He opened his desk drawer and looked for a brown magic marker. All he could find was a blue one. Then he took out the magic marker and decorated his whole face and neck with blue dots. Then he hurried to his class and sat down. Junie, 이 마커로 얼굴이랑 목 전체에 점 그려도 돼요?
What? No, never.
That's what I thought. But here, that's what Andrew did. He looked for this, but all he had was this. Decorated means 장식했다. 그러니까 얼굴하고 목을 파란 점으로 온통 뒤덮고 교실로 들어갔대요. What's happening? Miss Kelly snapped her fingers. Let's settle down, children. Stop chattering. Everybody giggled. What's so funny? Lisa, can you tell me the joke? Lisa stood up.
Miss Kelly, just look at Andrew Marcus.
Andrew knew his blue dots looked silly, but he didn't care. Miss Kelly가 조용히 하라고 하시는데 오히려 애들이 키득키득 거렸다는 거예요. Why?
Andrew has blue dots on his face.
Yuppie, that would look quite silly. But does Andrew care? 조금이라도 부끄러워하거나? Nope. Then at 2 o'clock, she called him to her desk. Andrew, Miss Kelly said, how would you like to use my secret formula for removing freckles?
For free?
Andrew asked. Oh yes, Miss Kelly said. Now, don't open this until you get to the boys' room. Remember, it's a secret formula.
Okay.
Andrew said. Okay, what's a secret formula?
I know. Secret is 비밀.
Right, and secret formula here means 비밀 제조법. 그래서 여기서는 secret recipe랑 조금 비슷해요. And removing means 없애다. 그러면 what does she have? What can Andrew do with it?
He can say goodbye to his freckles.
Hooray! Now then, all that Andrew has to do is go to the bathroom. As soon as he was inside the boys' room, he unwrapped the package. There was a note. It said, turn on water, wet magic freckle remover, and rub into face. Rinse. If magic freckle remover does not work first time, try again. 3 times should do the job. Ha! She knew his freckles weren't really freckles. Andrew followed Miss Kelly's directions. Then he wrapped it up and walked back to his classroom. Miss Kelly smiled. Well, Andrew, I see it worked. You know, I think you're a very handsome boy without freckles. Unwrapped means 포장을 풀다. 앤드류가 주근깨 제거제에 포장을 뜯었죠. What does the note say?
He needs to wash his face.
Yes, 앤드류의 얼굴 위에 파란 주근깨들이 사실은 주근깨가 아니라는 걸 미스 켈리는 다 알고 계셨던 거예요. So he washed his face and returned to the classroom. And she tells him he's handsome without freckles.
Without means 뭐뭐가 없는.
Like you, Hooney, you're also handsome without freckles.
Thanks, Miss Kelly.
Nikki Lane called out.
Could I use your magic freckle remover? I hate my freckles.
Nikki, Miss Kelly said, Andrew didn't look good with freckles, but you look wonderful. They're part of you. So, I'm going to put away this magic formula. Aha, wait! So I said Andrew and you, Hooney, are handsome without freckles. 그러면 주근깨 없는 얼굴만 잘생겼다는 얘기일까요?
But Nicky looks good with his freckles.
Exactly. And we're done with the entire book of Freckle Juice.
It's quiz time! Question number 1. Why does Nicky Lane not need a freckle remover? A. He doesn't have freckles. B. He looks good with freckles. C. He looks good without freckles.
Well, Hooney, who was Nikki Lane again?
Nicky Lane is the boy with millions of freckles.
Good memory. Get it? What do you think?
The answer is B. Nicky looks great with freckles.
Yay! So, Hooney, what do you think is the takeaway from this book today?
I think the takeaway is that there's no secret recipe. Instead, the secret is 니키는 원래 주근깨가 있으니까 주근깨 얼굴이 멋있는 거고 앤드루는 원래 주근깨가 없으니까 맨 얼굴이 그래서 멋있는 거예요.
Exactly. You're right on point. You are perfect the way you are. Hooney, then could you tell me one thing you like about yourself?
I don't know.
Oh, come on, just one.
Oh, I like my eyes.
I love your eyes too. They look like you're always smiling. 여러분도 오늘 자기 자신한테서 가장 마음에 드는 부분 하나 찾아서 자신을 더욱더 아껴보세요. Remember, you're wonderful just the way you are. Thanks again, Hooney, for coming on the video. And I'll come back with another exciting book. Until then,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye!